Alright, I just watched a crackhead get kicked out of here by a cop. There it is. Typical downtown Denver activities. And we've got a Kone elevator here, and this thing is beat to shit. What the fuck? There used to be a rear door, but I guess not now. Fucking strange. Look at that. Y'all coming down?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. For a project.
Thank you.
No problem. Y'all take care.
You too, man.
Sorry. This thing's pretty busy, actually. This is a busy store. And that will be it.